Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Charan here and welcome to the product Infinite Core. So I am thanking you that you are giving your time to show my review video, and inside this video I'll clear you the product Infinite Core. Okay, so in this core you will be given the Infinite Webinar app, the Infinite Page Builder and the Infinite Autoresponder. Okay, so three in one app will be given to you inside this pack, and this is massive for just $17. So you can purchase the tool from this page. Like, I am an affiliate of this tool. If you purchase it from my website, I will be giving you some good and valuable bonuses. So the thing is, the bonus part I will be cleared in a quite a bit moment, like after showing you the product, and that is the thing. So you can get the tool within $17, and if you want to get that in the discounted version, you can also get that. So let me show you now this tool. So this tool is all about webinar builder and email. There is nothing much to tell about each and every stuffs inside it. Like the webinar is made for the meetings, the screen recording, the normal meeting, normal webinar, and that kind of stuffs. Like, you can use the public meeting for anyone. If you wanna join anyone, then you can use the public meeting. You wanna do it inside a group, you can create the normal meeting like with your password and that kind of stuffs. Okay, and if you wanna use the Infinite Builder tool, this builder tool is easily customizable. You can click on the new project. After going through the project, you can click on add new. So inside add new, you can create it from scratch, like drag and drop builder, very easy. You can choose the header section. Let me start with the header section. So this header section is being created, and you can customize it step by step. You can use the benefit section, you can use the gallery section, you can use the media section, the benefit section, and every steps are pretty much given the testimonials, the clients, the prices, everything. So after that, the Infinite Mail app. Inside the mail app, the auto responding facility, the whole auto responding facility, like that kind of stuffs which is given in GetResponse, in Aweber and MailChimp, that kind of stuffs. Whole auto responding facility with cloud-based hosting and everything. Your email list, you can start from the brands, and you can do your you can create your own list, you can upload it, and you can start your auto responding facility. So that was the tool. In a core you will be given 3-in-1 stuffs like in this package. So apart from that, you can click on this button to get the tool with my bonuses. Like, you will be redirected to this this page, and you can purchase it from this sales page, like by clicking on this yellow button within $17. So the thing is, you can get the tool by clicking 2 more buttons also. So this timer is strictly followed, and once you have just missed the timer, you can click here and you can knock me here from my Facebook Soft Memoir page, and you can ask me for the bonuses. Like, before purchasing the tool or after purchasing the tool, you can knock me. So this all software you are looking here, you are watching here, will be given to you totally free from my website, like instantly once you have just purchased it. There is totally automation process has been created in the back end to give you the bonuses, and there are some bonuses from vendor also. Vendor bonuses are really valuable also, like the email monetization, email monetizer, Igloo website, the social traffic plans, and there are more bonuses from the vendor. So many bonuses, like you are watching this kind of bonuses, and same kind of 50 bonuses are from vendor. I think I'm not exactly I don't know this is exactly 50 or not, but a really valuable bonuses, I want to say that. So if you purchase any of the upsells apart from the front end, apart from the $17 product, if you purchase any of the upsells like 27, 67, 37 or 37, you will be given a mega bonus bundle box that is totally stuffed with all of the softwares and plugins and doodle character packs, music tracks with resale rights, and also the image pack, everything. So you can click on this button to get the sales page, and from there you can get the tool, and also you can check out your bonuses by clicking on access affiliate bonus in your purchase history option. So I am signing out for this product. I think I have convinced you, and I am thanking you again that you have given your time. Have a good day, have a nice day. Bye bye.